Nerd On.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Nerd On.
We're here at Microsoft.
It's pretty amazing. I mean, look at that. This is exciting stuff.
We're gonna see some cool stuff. Gears of War, maybe.
Yep. I feel like we are in the land of our people. Brought the white.
Gaming brings us together. Gaming connects us. It inspires our truest cooperation. It creates some of our fondest memories of competition. Most of all, gaming fosters real community. It reaches across age, ability, race, gender, and geography. This is why I've always believed, and will always believe, that gaming is the great unifier. Legendary characters who captivate us. Bold stories that inspire the hero within us. Iconic worlds that are so richly imagined, we feel excitement in the air and danger on the seas.
What's going on? This reaction, this shit was crazy. I might have to buy an Xbox now.
We are here outside of Microsoft Theater. We just had the Xbox E3 press briefing.
Yeah.
They showed us a lot of games.
Super
A
stoked.
lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
Not only that, but they showed us that they've acquired 5 new studios.
5 new studios.
Which is
competing.
insane. Their Infinity Gauntlet of studios. Yeah, what are you guys most excited for?
I just
There's
want to see
so
more
many.
Cyberpunk 2077.
That looked insane.
Yeah,
I had no
see
idea
that.
about
We
that.
finally
Dying
get
Light
some
2.
like good looks at it. Dying Light 2 kind of blew me away a little bit.
Dying Light 2 looks amazing. Halo Infinite, of course, I'm
What
stoked for.
the best way to hype up your audience right at the beginning with some
Just
Halo
right out the
Infinite?
gates. Right out the gates. Just seeing that
here's the
helmet
game. Here's the game engine, and then
And then, by the way,
the
it's a Halo
helmets.
game.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
FYI.
the Spartan helmet.
yeah.
I'm pretty stoked that Kingdom Hearts is coming to Xbox as a Xbox sole console owner. Being able to dive back into that after not being able to for the past 10 years is very exciting.
It's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Fallout 76 looks like it's gonna be like. At first, when they introduced it, I was like, what's it gonna be? But
Yeah.
after this, it looks like it's gonna be
Now,
incredible.
what I took away from that trailer too from Fallout 76 is you noticed multiple different vault dwellers walking by the suit of armor on the ground. I
Yeah.
think they're hinting at a little more expansive multiplayer, perhaps.
I think
maybe
so.
some co-op missions.
I think so.
I'd be
yeah.
really excited about that.
For sure.
the Division 2.
Division
Yep.
2 kind of blew my mind. I kind of had a hint because they kind of did the same thing for
Yeah.
the first Division.
Yeah.
Set in DC. It looks awesome. It looks very similar to what we have, but that's okay.
The trailer
because,
looked pretty similar to the first one.
Yeah, if you haven't been playing Division lately, it's an incredible game now. So
Yeah.
it's definitely worth diving into, which, by the way, Xbox Game Pass,
Yeah.
a lot of cool new games coming
Yeah.
to it.
The day they
Division,
launch.
The day they launch. Right now you can play Fallout 4,
Uh-huh.
Division,
Yep.
and Elder Scrolls Online looks pretty cool. So
The last thing I want to give a shout out to here before we wrap this up is Devil May Cry.
Devil May Cry's
5.
back.
Dante's back.
That whole
Dante's
room
back.
went crazy.
Yeah.
When the logo came on,
The energy was
just
pretty great in there.
Yeah.
I'm ready for it.
So far, first good day of E3, guys.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
Pretty stoked for the rest of it.
day
Yeah.
one.
We will
Be sure
see you
to
there.
subscribe to the channel. Follow us all week long during E3. Our E3 journey is just beginning.
Just
Absolutely.
We're gonna get
Written
into it pretty
content,
hard.
video content,
We're gonna sink our teeth into it.
maybe some
Hit
bonus
us up.
episodes on our Patreon. We don't know.
We don't
So
know,
we'll
maybe.
see you there.
And as always, nerd on.
Nerd